Okay guys, today I want to show you how to learn Chinese using my app. The link is in the description. I want to focus on this part here, which is called the Waveform. This allows you to see what you're listening to. So, this is one of the sentences in the video.
每个人都参加演出，他们回家必须练习。
So what you want to do here is, first, this is a bit too fast. If you're a language learner, this is kind of too fast to catch the pronunciation. So, you want to be able to slow it down. You should slow down between 59 to 87%, depending on the speed of the person speaking. But if you choose too slow, it's going to break the natural rhythm of the sentence. It's not gonna sound natural at all.
每个人都参加演出，他们回家必须练习。
You don't want to speak like this, right? So you want something that is more like a natural voice, that you can clearly hear the pronunciation. So I would suggest normally between 72 and 87%. It keeps the natural rhythm of the sentence and it's clearer. So let's try it now.
每个人都参加演出，他们回家必须练习。
Yeah, it's spoken slowly, yet you can hear clearly. Now that's perfect. You want to be able to select difficult words and syllables in a sentence. So we're going to select two words in this sentence. You have a zoom located here, and a scale for the amplitude. Let's start with a zoom at 200%. That should do it. Yep. All right, now you can see clearly. You can increase the amplitude here. It is useful, especially when it's spoken softly. Here. There. Right about here. Yeah, this is perfect. So now you can see each and every word spoken in the sentence. So these are the two tools and the other one is a help. It says, when you click the mouse with no key, it's just to select the position to play. The shift key will select the closest subtitle. So I think you're not going to use this one that much. It is more useful when you're editing like I do. The one you're going to use the most is the control key, which allows to change the playback start and duration. The other ones are strictly for edition. I'm not going to elaborate on those. I'm going to do that in a later video, when it comes to create your own lessons. Okay, so here, use Control mouse down to set the starting border where it shall begin. Now for its duration we do the same. Just like that. Right? So now you can actually start listening.
都参加演出。
Now it's starting at the word though. As you can see here, this is the though. Here is saying the though, right? Okay, so I want this part here. It's the next word.
参加演出。
All right, perfect now. So, like I said, I want to focus on these two words here.
参加演出
Here you can actually see. I'm going to explain these in another subsequent video. But mainly this is to study deeper and this is to learn how to write. But my point here is you have your computer voice, which is somewhat clearer than the one spoken in the video.
参加演出
参加演出。
参加演出
That gives you two versions to listen to. I realized some time ago that just repeat is not the way to go when it comes to learning and assimilating. You don't need repetitions. You need a multitude of experiences to learn a language or anything else for that matter. You can also record yourself and compare. But that's another feature for later. So next I want to show you the feature here. This button is to select the play mode. The play mode, basically you can play like this one. Currently you just play once and stop. You have two other modes. The second one plays and repeat.
参加演出。参加演出。参加演出。
As you probably notice here, there's a delay in the repetition. You can set that here the video loop delay is 1 second. Okay, let's put it very fast, let's say 10 milliseconds. You have to put the number and click enter, otherwise it won't change. See? You can also stop it in the middle, then it won't play again. because it needs to reach the end before looping.
参加演出，参加演出，参加演出，参加演出。
See? Another way to stop repeating is to change the mode to the next. This guy here, which is continue. It allows you to point anywhere in the track and start playing from there. It's just going to continue till the end of the video. If you press that button again, it will go back to play once. It rotates between the three modes: once, repeat, and continue. Alright, so anything else for today? No. That's basically everything you need to know to do this. So, let me know in the comment. And visit my website to get this free app. You can also leave a comment there. Try it for yourself and let me know what you think. Does it help? Does it improve your Chinese language skill? Do you have any idea how to improve this? We shall see.